Welcome to AlarmClockRadiostore.com. AlarmClockRadiostore.com is your online source for your alarm clock needs. This website provides you all the best in traditional items plus all the latest in the ever-changing technology in the field of alarm clocks and clock radios. The company is based in North Carolina, USA. You can get all the contact details from the website itself. AlarmClockRadiostore.com website offers a huge selection of basic alarm clock radios with iPod docks, clock radios with CD players, atomic alarm clocks, projection alarm clocks, and specialized alarm clock radios. As soon as you click on the link titled Basic Alarm Clocks, you will then come across huge selection of basic alarm clocks for you to choose from. You can get various types of basic alarm clocks such as Elgin Atomic Handy Travel Alarm Clock, iHome Travel Clock Radio, Conair LCD Small Alarm Clock. Then there are clock radios with iPod docks. You can just click the respective link and get a list of clock radios with iPod docks such as AM and FM portable radio with iPod or iPhone dock. As soon as you click on the link titled Clock Radios with CD Players, you will then come across a list of collection of clock radios with built-in CD players such as GPX Clock Radio with CD player. You can also click on the link titled Atomic Alarm Clocks. You can then start browsing various collection of atomic projection alarm clocks such as Oregon Scientific Atomic Projection Alarm Clock. If you click on the link titled Specialized Alarm Clock Radios, you can then choose various types of specialized alarm clocks and radios with the latest sophisticated features, such as ACU weather station with atomic clock and outdoor sensor. You can also go for ILUV clock radio with weather warming feature. Time needed to ship merchandise will vary depending on the shipment's location. Customers should expect 7 to 10 days of delivery time. At this time, the company accepts orders only from the 48 contiguous states of the United States. PO boxes or APO and FPO addresses are not acceptable. At AlarmClockRadiostore.com, you can get all kinds of alarm clocks at reasonable prices. Thank you for watching this video.